Okay, ladies, now let's get information. 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 Give me a beat, E to the T, T, Y, B. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. B. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I'm Pet Slay.
Queen of Hearts here, and I know you did not expect to come on this video and see my head looking like this, but today I am excited to do this very highly requested video on some curly hair that I have. I made a video about it previously, and today I'm going to show you the full-blown how I style it and what it looks like, and to give you some pros and cons of this hair. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't judge my braids because I can't really do hair, but keep watching. So first, as you can see, I have braids. It's about, wow, do I even count this one as a braid? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 11, 10 or 11 braids. So I have a middle part wig, so I parted my hair down the middle as best I could, and you see the part here, and they're just all braided back. I braided like braids and then two, and then I don't know if you understand, but basically I got straight backs, braided them together, and they're pinned up in the back. So I would show y'all the back, but my neck is unruly and it's real nappy, and so I'm not gonna show y'all that. But anyways, yeah, I have the straight back braids. I'll show you my wig, and keep in mind, I have not styled this wig since I came back from Atlanta, and that's been a week. I have not put any water, nothing. I just take it off when I come home from work and put it back on in the morning when it's time to go to work. So here she is, and she doesn't really look that bad. I did dye this hair. It is Blazing Burgundy. Oh my god, I can't remember the brand of the color, but I want to say it's Clairol Permanent, and it's in Blazing Burgundy. And if you're going to the store to go look at it, it's in a like burgundy or orangish color box, and it's a black lady with natural hair on it. I'm sorry, that's just, you know, how I remember it. So here is she. She's been my best friend for the past couple of days. She is in the middle part, like I said. There it goes. I will link in the description box who did this wig for me. Her name is Ashley, and I'll put her information below so you guys can go check her out. This wig does have clips. It has like 2 here for the front, on the side and the front, see those, and then some more. So it's about, she really put a lot of clips in here because I was like, I need clips. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips in here, I think. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 clips. So I don't know if I said this, but I braided my hair like last Thursday. So these are the same braids from then. So let's put her on. First, I used to put it on from the back, but now I think I like it better when I put it on from the front first. So I just spine up my 2 front clips, and I line it up with my part. And these 2 clips right here, I just sit them down, clip them down, and I try to get as close to my hairline as possible, only leaving a little room for a little bit of baby hair action. So then I take the other 2 clips on the side, and I just clip them up underneath the braid. And then I just clip it the rest all the way around, underneath the braids. Okay, so I'm just making sure everything is secure. if you haven't watched my video already on the unboxing of this hair, go check that out. This is Queen Weave Beauty LTD Deep Wave. I can't remember the exact lengths, but don't move, camera. But I'll put it in the description box or across the screen, and it's pretty long. Okay, so last Thursday when I colored and washed this hair, I put silicone mix on it, and I actually let that sit on there for a good little minute, probably about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I rinsed it out. So the only product that I put on this hair now is water, because it still has the softness of the silicone mix. So that's what I feel like every time I wet it and drench it down. I feel the silicone mix and it's really soft. So it smells so good too. So that's the only thing that's in the hair. Is this water bottle. Got it for like $1 or something at their hair store. I use Eco Styling Gel and Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco. It's extra hold. I cannot use just one of these. My edges are unruly, so I have to use both of these at the same time. And I put the gel on first, and then I go in with this argan oil. I'm gonna need this just to make sure my part is right. My dirty edge brush. Once I drench it, I'm gonna brush it out with this brush here. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to part it down the middle just to make it easier to manage. And I'll start with this side. I should have got a clip, but whatever. And I'm just gonna talk about this hair. I love it. I do. And the only con is that in the back, near the nape, I think that's what it's called, I don't know. But this area right here, it is tangled. Now mind you, like when I wet it and brush it out, it's good. But just, you know, as the day goes along and you're, you know, doing a lot of moving and maybe messing with your hair, it will tangle up in the back. Now this is, keep in mind, like I said, this is real good quality hair, but with curly hair, you know, you just gotta be prepared for that. So this is only water, like I said, and I'm just gonna get it, you know, I'm not gonna do a whole lot of drenching, but just to a point where it's manageable to brush through.
Now let's get information. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I'm pet slave, trigger, you get eliminated. I'm
You your daddy son.
It's corny with that Illuminati mess.
And as the day goes by, like, you could put product on it and the curl will stay like as flat as this. I like it, but then again, I don't. I love big hair, so I always prefer this look. And this is after a couple days, so of course it won't look like this when it's dry and stuff like that without manipulating it. But it'll be, you know, I mean, you could still see the curl pattern. It'll just be a little bigger, and I like that. So I think I need a little bit more water back here, and then we're gonna brush it out. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have completely wet both sides. Now I'm gonna brush it out from the ends first.
Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I'm pet slave, trigger, you get eliminated.
You your daddy son.
So now that that's finished and brushed out, I'm just gonna line up my parts actually, because I got two. So make sure we get them together. And I'm gonna show you how to freak this thing. Let me show y'all how long it is when it's wet. In the bottom, the curls are so pretty. They just curl right back up. I love it. I'm about to do my baby hairs and I'll be right back. All right guys, so here is the finished product. Did a little bit of edge work. Here it is. So I don't even wear my hair like with this down. I usually just put it behind my ear like that, and wear it throughout the day. Like I said, it's gonna get bigger. Isn't it pretty? But yeah, I need to stop touching it before it frizzes up. And I think most of all, I just love the color. Like, the color is so bomb. This is definitely some summer hair.
Okay, ladies, now let's get information. 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 Give me a beat, E to the T, T, Y, B. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. B. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I'm pet slave, chico, you get eliminated. I'm pet to the T, T, Y. I'm to the T, T, Y. I'm to the T, T, Y. I'm to the T.
You your daddy's son.
It's corny with that Illuminati mess. Paparazzi catch my fly and my cocky fresh. I'm so reckless when I rock my Givenchy dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his rock necklaces. My daddy Alabama, Bama. Mama Louisiana. You mix that. You mix that. I got hot sauce in my face, my face, what face, my face, what face, my face, what face, sauce in my face, sauce in my face, sauce in my face.
Bend your knees.
Face, what face. Information.